cooks, today we're going to make some homemade teriyaki sauce. I'm going to be using this sauce in a chicken dish. Today I figured we would just make the sauce separately in case you wanted to make that dish or any other dish with teriyaki sauce. This sauce is fantastic. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. Okay, so I have a little pan here and I'm going to put some soy sauce in here. I'm also going to put a little marin. If you don't have that, you can just use a little bit of dry white wine and put a little sugar in there. We have some rice wine vinegar. We have a little sake. I have some brown sugar. I have some grated ginger. A little bit of garlic. I did mine kind of chunky, so. We have some honey. This is local honey. Sweeten it up a little bit. Sweeten it up for my sweet. I'm going to go ahead and stir this up. And we're going to start bringing this up in temp. We're going to get that sugar melted, and we're going to bring it just almost to the boiling point. So it looks like it's coming up for a boil. We're going to just simmer it here for maybe 3 minutes. So I'm going to make a little cornstarch slurry. I just have some water and a little cornstarch. This is going to thicken it up. Whoa! I spilt it on myself. And give it that glossy look to it. You want to dissolve it in the water. And we're going to go ahead and pour it in here. Cornstarch has to kind of bring to a boil for it to do anything. See how nice and glossy it's getting? Woo! Turn that down. Looks like we are good to go here. Looks good. Yep, teriyaki sauce. Delicious. So stay tuned. We're going to make a teriyaki chicken in a new Dutch oven. And we're going to be using a little bit of this sauce. Stay tuned.